una divina. I went to a psychic.
Oh, yes, they can sometimes read your palms or look into the ball.
A ball, yes. Oh, Mr. Bird.
That's,
Ball.
oh,
Yeah, it was
sorry.
exactly a ball.
Well, what did the psychic tell you?
You know, when I was 18 years old, I set a goal for my life. And the goal was to visit all the countries around the world.
Whoa.
All of them. And you know how many of them are there?
Well, 12?
Oh, Mr. Byrne.
Wait, no. There's got to be... No, sorry, Mr.
Más de 12. Más.
Yeah, there's
Más de 100.
I think there's definitely more than 100.
Más de 100. 196.
It's a lot of countries, so yeah.
And,
So what's your goal?
Yeah, my goal is to visit all of them before I die, you know, during my life. And you know what? The psychic, la divina, me dijo a mí que yo solo tenía 9 años más de vida.
How many years?
9
9 years left?
left. And guess what? How
What?
many countries have I already visited?
Well, I don't know.
Spain and United States. Man, I'm...
Ah. So maybe you need some help, Senor Perez, on... Don't worry. You still got time. 9 years? You know, that's... You still have a lot of pork sandwiches to eat in 9 years, man. Well, let's figure out how many years... Let me rephrase that. It sounds like a division story.
Do you think so? Do you think we can figure it out? We can at least know how many countries
To visit each year.
to visit each year?
To meet that goal.
Can you help me with that? I
Okay.
would appreciate it. Yo lo apreciaría si me puedes ayudar a saber cuántos países tengo que visitar cada año.
Let's take it to the board.
Sounds good. At least I see hope in this day.
I'm not sure if I see hope with my markers because last night when I got home, I had like 4 markers in my pocket.
That explains why I haven't got anyone in my classroom now.
Don't worry, I think this one might work.
Okay.
So, you were saying that there's how many countries in this world?
I checked one source in the internet and I find out the number is 196, but
Okay.
I have already visited 2.
Yeah, so this is a great math problem. So, total countries 196,
Total de países 196.
and you've already been to Spain.
Spain
You've
and
been there?
United States.
Okay, well, to take away 2.
I was born there, man.
Oh, that's right. So you need to see 194 countries.
Yeah.
And according to the psychic,
9 years.
you have 9 years left. You know what? I went to a psychic not too long ago as well. Maybe last week, because I have his birthday coming up. I don't even have 9 years
I was a
left.
psychologist. It's different.
Oh, you're right. That's right. Never mind. So 194,
Oh.
and it looks like you have 9 years.
Yeah.
So this is a
That's what
great
she
division
said.
story. Okay, no problem, no problem. So I'm going to go biggest loser on this because that seems to be working pretty well for 4th graders. My workout partner is number 9. I'm going to multiply something times 9 that's close to 19. 9 times 2 is 18.
You're right.
So I'm going to add 2 and add a 0 to make it 20.
20. Okay.
9 times 2 is 18.
So do you think 20 countries?
No,
A year?
no, no, no.
Okay.
I don't know my
okay.
answer yet.
Okay.
Add 0.
Oh, no, more. Okay.
Stop and subtract. How much more do I have to lose?
Uh-huh.
14 more pounds.
Okay. That was close.
Not bad. Well, 9 times 2 is 18, so I only have one option here. I have to use a 1.
Uh-huh.
1 times 9 is 9. Stop and subtract again. 14 take away 9. I have to do some regrouping here, but is
5?
5, I think, yeah. So that actually brings me to something important that these 4th graders
yeah.
need to know. We know we have a remainder 5,
Oh,
So hold on here. Don't panic, Mr.
I don't
Press.
understand. I see lots of numbers, Mr. Byrne.
Well, we
I'm
have
concerned.
20. Don't worry. You need to visit
21.
21 countries.
Even that, if I visit 21, I'm not gonna do it because I have 5 more remainder.
Well, yeah,
what can
there
I
is a
do?
remainder, but I want to show fourth graders something cool here. I'm going to take it away from your depression and show the fourth graders something. So we can write this 21 remainder 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So 21 countries per year with 5 left over. But here's the cool thing. We can also write it as a fraction.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So
Fraction.
what we do is we take our same number, 21,
Uh-huh.
we take our remainder, 5, and we put it over our divisor.
5 ninth. 5 how do you
21 and
5
5 ninths.
nines. Cinco
Yep.
novenos. Ah. So that means that I have to visit an average of 21 every year, but I have to deal with those 5 more countries at any time. Can be
Ma-
like last year,
It could
I
be.
can visit 26.
You know, if you continue those pork sandwiches, it might be like, closer to 8 years. So watch out for that. Here's what I recommend. Maybe some chicken noodle soup. You got to have some B12 vitamins too. It's important. So, but the point I wanted to make for those fourth graders, let's pretend that we did our math and we had a remainder of 3. And this is just a made-up problem. Maybe we did the work and we had 24 remainder of 3.
Uh-huh.
We could write it as a fraction again using 24 remainder, forgot. 3 over 9.
Ah.
24 and 3 ninths.
Uh-huh. I understand.
This can be simplified as well, but we're not
Yeah,
quite
I can
there
do
yet.
it. Simple.
That's 1/3.
Uh-huh.
But that'll come later. We're just worried about taking our remainder over our divisor.
I understand that. So, I want to make clear this issue.
Okay?
21 countries
Mhm.
every year,
That's correct.
and 5 more countries that I have to deal with at some point eventually. Okay,
You feeling better?
I'm not sure if I can do that, but I will try. It's my goal in my life.
All right.
And so, and I was also looking for information in the internet, and I find out that I have to run or fly or whatever the transport is. I have to do 396,437,571 miles.
Whoa.
To accomplish my goal.
That's your travel in miles?
Yes, I have a problem. I'm not very good with my memory, so I know now because it was recently, but what can I do? I'm not good with so many digits. So I have that today I see all the very bad,
You're a troubled man today,
Yes.
Mr. Press.
Tengo este número de millas, pero no puedo tenerlo en mi cabeza, porque hay muchos
I can help.
números
I can.
diferentes.
So we know that we've taught fourth graders, and it's actually not this unit, but maybe chapter 2 or 3, the importance of this.
¿Eso qué es?
Rounding.
Ah,
And it is
redondear.
always a skill on TCAP as well.
Redondear.
Yeah. So we could round this gigantic number, you and your periods in Spain.
Oh, yeah.
So we could round this number to make it a little easier to
Easier
work with.
to memorize.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we're rounding, we have to find the place that we want to round to.
For me, the 100,000 work.
100,000? Okay.
I guess is one.
Yeah, let's find out. Ones,
Okay.
tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, 100,000.
Okay. De unidades, decenas, centenas, unidades de millar, decenas de millar, centenas de millar.
All right, here's my trick. I underline that place. This is what we want to
Tú
round
lo
to.
subrayas. Vale. ¿Y ahora qué?
Now watch this. Now, these guys on the left-hand side, they stay the same.
Ah.
Now just watch this trick. You'll like
I can memorize these 3 numbers pretty well.
So,
396.
yeah, 396. Leave that there. So the trick is we got our neighbor to the right.
Okay.
He's a 3.
This is the neighbor.
I take care of him.
This is el vecino.
I like to give him a house
Uh-huh.
and a little chimney to stay warm because he's a very important neighbor to the right. And the rule is, if my neighbor, which is a 3, is 5 or above, I, the 4, get shoved.
Ajá, pero
It's
no es...
not,
No,
it's not, it's
no,
not.
vale.
So if my neighbor
Ajá.
is 5
five
or below,
low.
we just lay it low and relax and stay the same.
Ah.
So,
So
guess
like
what?
relaxing conversation with your neighbor.
Yeah, just
That's what
relax. You're still a 4.
Uh-huh.
And then everyone turns to zeros.
Donuts. That's what you
Donuts.
like.
I like donuts. So 0, 0,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Uh-huh.
Is this a little easier to work with?
Okay.
396,400,000.
Now, yes, 396,400,000.
It's a lot of miles still.
It's going in my mind forever now.
Okay.
Porque es muy fácil para mí memorize this. Pero es muy difícil tantos números.
Yeah. I think there's one more thing I gotta show you.
Yeah,
Mr. Perez. I don't know
you
how
know
much
what the
time we have.
psychic told me?
What?
That the graph of my life es como esto, me dijo.
Huh? Whoa, that could be dangerous. Like it's going up and then crashes?
But to solve it, I have to figure it out how this angle is called.
Oh no.
Yeah, so can you help me with that?
Yeah. Oh man, we got
It's
problems.
like a
Mr. Perez.
mountain and the sun rising. It's a beautiful image.
Whatever this is, it means many things.
Okay, tell me.
Okay. Well, we know a couple things. Wow. I'm glad you know your ABCs fine then. We're going to have to find this angle, 2 segments coming together. Angle ABC. Looks to me like it's a little less than 90 degrees. So maybe if I had my protractor, I could measure it, which I could, but I'm guessing this angle, ballpark guess, is inside here, maybe 80 degrees.
You don't understand, Mr. Byrne.
What?
You don't understand what's happening.
What's
The
happening?
psychic told me this angle.
Oh, right. Well, we know that's called the reflex. Here.
How
Here,
can I
you see
solve
your
that?
knee. Stay right there.
Okay.
That seems okay.
Ah.
Oh, wait. Reflex angle. So we take our total 360,
I remember that.
subtract our inside angle, roughly 80, subtract, regroup on arm. Regroup. I need to tell that to Edwin. Regroup. Okay. 16 take away 8. Yeah. Oh. 280 reflex angle.
Okay. So,
Yeah. There you go.
180 degrees reflect angle.
Yeah.
So, yeah, now my life is gonna be like this.
Oh, man. Ow! My tooth. Must have been that sandwich I ate. Wait, obtuse?
Obtuse life. And your life, you go in one direction and then you come back.
Oh, man.
Always. You are not consistent.
Oh, so obtuse and remember those cute angles? They're so cute. Acute. They're small, petite angles. Yeah. Well,
Mr. Byrne, you know what? I don't
things
know
are-
if I feel better, but now I know that I have a very, very important business to do. It's 21 countries a year I have to visit.
well, good luck with that. Maybe I can help out with travel expenses.
Okay.
Do you need that?
You're not going to help me.
Fourth
No
graders?
vas a ayudarme mucho, pero bueno.
Please practice at home a little bit of rounding. That's coming up for this test to the